base of the drop weight impact tester. This is the sample seat. When testing different samples, you should place the appropriate anvils in this section. The front and back sections of the sample seat have two rulers used to check the height of the sample seat. You can use the spanner to tighten these 4 bolts. The base will rise and lower as needed, allowing you to adjust the base height. To test samples at different heights, adjust the sample seat accordingly. Always position the sample in the middle, which is the impact line section. The black columns are supplied at a standard height. A closer look shows that the columns are equipped with rubber pads designed for shock absorption. Additionally, the unit has 2 secondary columns for even more shock absorption. When the hammer drops, the front and back columns, equipped with pneumatic control, will automatically activate to protect the hammer from a secondary impact. These 2 guiding rods are used with different types of hammers and anvils for various tests. This outer frame is designed to handle an impact test of 1,800 joules, 1,330 foot-pounds. When setting a higher anvil or sample, you should use extended black columns, providing additional heights of 55 millimeters and 100 millimeters. The secondary columns can also be extended by 50 millimeters and 100 millimeters. Adjust these sections according to your testing requirements. This red pin is a safety pin. When you install the sample to conduct a test operation in this area, you can insert the safety pin. When lifting the hammer with the safety pin installed, the hammer will not drop freely. This is an important safety feature. This is the back section of the drop weight impact tester. This is the air pump line. These 4 pipes will connect to the back of the electric control cabinet. They will be marked A, B, C, and D to help connect them to their appropriate inlets. This is the photoelectric encoder. It is used to measure displacement. This cable is for the photoelectric sensor, and this one is for the upper limit switch. When the hammer is lifted to the maximum height and touches the limit sensor, it will automatically stop. This is the air pump for the drop weight impact tester. The power cable connects to the control cabinet. The power supply is single-phase 220 volts. Additionally, there is a water outlet found below the pump. About once a month, the client should loosen the bolt to release the water. This is the winding mechanism for lifting the hammer. This is the control box, which contains cables connected to the photoelectric sensor and other components. This is the electric control cabinet. On the back, it is equipped with the power supply for the computer and the monitor. This power supply is single-phase 110 volts. This is the computer. This is the Panasonic PLC electrical panel. Here are some cables. The uppermost cable is for the control box. These cables are for the air supply. This cable is for the pump's power, and this one is connected to the control box. This cable controls the power to the winding mechanism. Lastly, the large black power cable is for the main power supply of the control cabinet. When the drop weight tester is delivered, it will be disassembled and divided into several sections. For example, this is the base of the machine, which will be separately packaged. The 4 square metal columns will be disassembled and properly marked based on their location. Front left, front right, back left, and back right. When the package is received, the 4 columns should be installed according to their respective markings. This round column is marked as the left column and will be further disassembled into 3 sections. The bottom section will be section number 1, and the other 2 sections will be indicated accordingly. Follow the markings for accurate installation of the right and left hand columns, installing them in the correct order and location of the drop weight tester.